Thread trimmers or snippers. A thread trimmer is used for making quick, precise cuts of thread when doing sewing work. It belongs to the basic tool of tailoring. You can use a thread trimmer to trim the loose threads, open seams, and also to slash buttonholes. In addition, snippers are used to cut short lengths of fabric. Objectives. At the end of this classroom, you will be able to identify a thread trimmer and its applications, use a thread trimmer. A thread trimmer has sharp cutting plates and a plastic ring which sits over the ring. Thread trimmers' snippers are also called palm scissors and are used for cutting thread during stitching. It can also be used to trim the unwanted short threads after stitching a garment. Trimmers have a ring that sits over the little finger. To use a thread snipper, you hold the tool in your hand with your index finger and thumb on each side of the blade. To make the cut, simply squeeze the nipper and the blades will cut the thread. Handle snippers with care as they have sharp plates. Use snippers carefully to avoid accidental cutting of fabric or stinging yourself or others. If it's not in use, always remember to keep the cap on it. With that, we come to the end of this class. Before we leave, let's recall what you've learnt in this class. Thread trimmers used in between to trim the loose threads, open seams and also to slash buttonholes. Always keep the cap of the thread trimmer to protect it from catching rust. Safety has to be observed while handling thread trimmers to prevent accidents. You have now learnt all about thread trimmers and their applications. Take our next class to learn about the hole maker and its applications.